But this is pretty much as close as you can get while being relatively safe. I wouldn't say it's without risk by any means, but definitely a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. I'm amazed. Most people pack like proper hiking food. We pack McDonald's because there's so much preservatives in it. It lasts forever, and it has way more calories than the freeze-dried stuff. It should last at least
tonight.
Well, it'll last tonight, and we'll eat it tomorrow for dinner.
Okay, come on.
No, I have work to do.
We start. What time is it?
9, 10.
A little bit later than expected.
Yeah.
Yes.
A few delays.
But we're good.
See if one dies or not.
Tree's its own little ecosystem. It's beautiful, honestly. I don't know, there's so many layers and like vines, and back home it's like you have a tree, it's a tree. You have a plant, it's a plant. Everything's isolated.
Not here. They all grow.
Here, trees are fuzzy. It's very nice.
So, the main reason to go to Acatenango? Fuzzy trees. What's going on, Christine?
I'm doing okay. I'm tired.
Why's that?
Altitude, steepness, big bag. Although not as heavy as Holden's or yours.
No, it's all those quarter pounders you got. You gotta take
and
those
my
out.
big bag.
Shouldn't have got that third patty. Paying for it now.
Oh, that'll be gone tonight. I'm petrified right now.
Slowly letting out pressure from the bomb.
It's like the volcano.
Yeah. You can hear it. Can you hear it?
Probably.
Looks cool.
almost to the Acatenango camp. We survived, or did most of the elevation gain already.
Yeah.
So it's just kind of side hilling all the way back to the camp, or all the way to the camp.
My body's feeling the elevation.
Christine's, how would you describe it?
Extremely tired, out of breath, hard to breathe, headache. Should be probably going down, but here we are, going up still.
Well, we're gonna acclimatize now.
Hopefully.
What are you eating there, Holden?
Look, pickles.
Here. They're extra calories, you gotta eat them here.
We are.
Good old McDonald's on top of a volcano.
That's proper hiking food right there.
Ooh, that's hot.
How is it?
It's pretty good actually. Honestly, held pretty well. I'm surprised. Definitely edible.
Alright, so we just woke up, did our sunrise shots. There's Holy.
Breakfast time.
What's that? Nuts?
Nuts.
Figure out our plan for the day. And I think we're gonna go hike. There's the volcano. Over here.
Put my finger up.
You can move your finger, it's so blurry.
Oh shit.
To that ridge there. Seems safe.
There's Christine sleeping away. Said she'd get up for sunrise. So much for that.
We're all a bit sick with altitude sickness, we think, or overexertion. I don't know which.
We also had a couple puppies come and join us. So I puked last night.
Oh, yeah.
And now Christine's turn is today. Or
Christine, you have a friend.
This is our second day here. We decided to spend most of the day hanging around camp.
So we weren't feeling so hot.
Yeah, had a few, couple minor illnesses from the altitude. Nothing too crazy, but so now end of day, sunset in a couple of hours, and we are heading where?
Up Fuego, to the shoulder of Fuego.
Which
So
is,
up over there.
so not to the summit, but we're going to the shoulder here to have a view of Fuego exploding when it erupts. And it's also sunset is soon, so we should have a really nice view of the sunset over the clouds here. So yeah,
Let's go.
onwards.
Out the shoulder of Fuego. Pretty tired, but this is pretty much the safest, closest you can get while being relatively safe. I wouldn't say it's without risk by any means, but definitely a once in a lifetime opportunity. I'm amazed. Wouldn't recommend doing it on a regular basis, but definitely a geologist dream, I would say.
Overall, it's like super nice night. Stars are awesome. Really like nice inversion all around, like clouds down below. It's definitely pretty awesome.
Once in a lifetime.
Yeah, definitely once in a lifetime. Like, wow, this was like best conditions you could ask for, bar none. So
now we hike back in the dark.
now we hike back in the dark.
So it's morning now. We're hiking up Acatenango.
We made it! Woohoo! Not today for me.
No?
No.
So we're on our way down from Acatenango. And now then we pack up camp, eat some breakfast, and head down to La Soledad, I think it's called. Trailhead. And then figure out how to get home. Hopefully we can get an Uber. If not, maybe a bus or a taxi.
Packing up. And we've got some doggos. We've got one there in the shade. We've got this one here. This is the one that ate Holden's puke. Very confused and scared. So we've got a nice little silhouette of a dog eating Holden's puke. I tried to shoo him away, but he growled at me, so just letting him go to town, while also not trying to throw up. Woo! Did you make a tumble?
No, I just sat down very gracefully.